How are you feeling today?
I am feeling well.
Okay. So we have started the recording, and before we proceed, I will brief you about the examination details and how we will conduct this test. Okay? So center number is IA673. Center name is The Creator International School. Examination IGCSE 0510, English as a second language. Examiner name Miss Laris A. Date 19th of April 2023. Candidate number is 2306. Candidate name is Mas Ahmad Khan. Okay, Mas. So firstly, we will have a 2 to 3 minutes general discussion about your interests and your life outside of school. This part will not be assessed. Okay. Then I will give you an assessment card which has a topic we will discuss in the last part of the test. You will have 2 to 3 minutes to read through the prompts that are in the card and to prepare for this part. Okay. You cannot make any notes. However, if you have any difficulties, you can ask me.
Okay.
And finally, we will have a discussion based on the 5 prompts on the card and any idea of your own on that topic. Okay. This part lasts 6 to 9 minutes and it will be the only part where you will be assessed. Okay. So you can keep the card with you until the end of the test. Do you have any questions right now? Okay, should we proceed with the test then?
Yes.
Okay, Mas, tell me something about yourself.
I am a student.
What do you love to do in your free time? What are your interests, your hobbies?
I like to spend time with my friends, playing video games and playing outdoor games. I really want to play football with them in a free time.
Okay. So, what do you usually do in your weekends?
I usually try to make paintings, but I am not good in it.
Okay. So, do you love going out and watch some entertainment?
Yes, sometimes.
Okay.
But I really want to watch action movies.
Alright. So, you love movies?
Yes.
Have you been to any live performances before?
Yes.
Okay. What was it?
Seen dance and comedy show.
Okay, live performance of dance and comedy show. Alright, Mas. I will give you an assessment card C, a speaking assessment card. Speaking assessment card C. This is about the entertainment industry. So you have 2 to 3 minutes to go through the prompts. Okay. Okay, so what are the type of entertainment that you enjoy?
Types of entertainment that I enjoy is actions,
Okay.
adventures with comedy. It could be a movie or animated movies.
Okay. Why do you love these?
Because action movies contain a lot of stunts which
Okay.
can't be done in a real life.
So that's the reason. And why do you like the, what did you say, adventures?
Adventures.
What about adventures?
Adventurous is means it is a story type in which means a main character start with his journey from the start to the end with interesting facts.
Okay.
Means interesting from interesting point to the end with a greater importance of knowledge.
Okay. Have you ever went to watch a live entertainment?
Yes, there's a time when I meet with my friend, and he told me about a live entertainment which is going nearby.
Okay.
So I went with him and saw a dance.
Okay. What dance?
A dance is a classical dance of India, which is also known as Brahmanatyam.
Okay.
So there were ladies, maybe 5 to 10, or I don't know about means number, but they are performing very well,
Okay.
and I really love it. They have a makeup on their face, and they are wearing a sari,
Okay.
and they are doing some technique of their dance. I didn't understand, but it looked like a great performance,
Okay.
and everyone around me is enjoying well.
So what was the favorite part about that dance, about that entertainment?
They are doing some stunts with their faces, moving their hand on their face, and this look great.
Okay. So that was your favorite part?
Yeah.
Okay. So do you think there are, what are the difficulties or the challenges that people who are famous, especially in the entertainment industries, so we have these celebrities, what do you think are their problems and disadvantages of being famous?
Being famous actor may have a challenge. May have a hardworking, successful life, or maybe an unsuccessful life. So the benefit of being a famous actor, maybe they have lots of money, lots of fans, lots of reputations.
Okay.
Everyone must obey their decisions because they thought it is a big guy, and they look him with a great mind.
Okay.
About challenges, a famous person should act like a great man.
How so? Why so?
If he or she doesn't perform very well, so people look down on them. So they should try their best. Not try, they have to try their best.
Okay. Do you know someone famous?
Yes, in India there are most famous actors such as Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan,
Okay.
Hrithik Roshan, like that.
So what is something that you like about them?
They really do acting very well, and they perform with a great dance, and they have a good face, good looking face.
Okay. So do you think these performers, for example, these dancers or actors, and singers, do you think they will be having a hard time having success if they don't have these makeup artists, or if they don't have these lighting technicians? Will that affect their success?
I don't think so.
Why?
Because the makeup artists or lighting technicians, they don't require this makeup. The fact about the being successful is to work hard about their own ambitions. If they work hard, they really will become a successful man. So, makeuping their face and body can increase their chances of being successful within their people.
Okay. So do you know someone who doesn't really care about looks but is yet very successful?
Yes, I know that.
Okay, can you tell me about that person?
She's in Tollywood, means South actress. I don't know her name, but she don't want to make up their face, but she is really popular in a Tollywood.
Okay. So now we see that entertainment industries, and because of the internet and the technologies that we have now, do you think in the future all entertainment will be digitized and will become visual?
The entertainment in the future, in my opinion, the entertainment in the future will only be in the digital, because virtual entertainment is at a one place, and digital can be in a digital means we can see it anywhere, anytime. For example, there are some streaming apps such as Netflix, where we can watch everything from it.
So why do you think people would prefer these digitized entertainment rather than going to a theater and watching a live drama or something like that?
My opinion is going there means take a lot of effort to go there and make money. Means watching on their tablets or television, they don't have to do any work but sit at their sofa or bed and can watch at any time, anywhere. But about virtual, if they want to go, they can go. It's a real-time living effect.
Okay. What about you? Do you prefer watching entertainment, live entertainment, or would you prefer watching these virtual entertainments?
I prefer both.
Okay.
Digital alone and virtual with my friends. Because virtual means there are lots of people, I can go alone.
Okay. And what about digital then? I mean, live entertainment you would go with?
Friends.
And digital you would
yes, alone or with my parents.
Okay. Alright. Okay, Mas, we have come to the end of the discussion. We will stop the recording now.
Okay.